So finally, XRP holders, is XRP going to hit a 1.50 USD dollar? That is the target of XRP Ripple coin, and a lot of people are deciding to hold XRP Ripple coin. And I believe, guys, that this is a good decision for everybody, because after a long time, XRP start pumping in. As you know, guys, in the previous days, XRP reached to 1 USD dollar. Now, if you talk about the right now price of XRP, so 1.08 USD dollar, that is right now price of XRP, guys. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes update of XRP, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the XRP. These all changes going positive in the market, guys. You can see here all changes going positive last 1 day, last 1 hour, and furthermore last 1 week changes, guys. And 6 is the market rank of XRP Ripple coin, guys. Wow, unbelievable jump taken by XRP, guys. Just look here, the latest situation price chart of XRP, guys, and the changes is positive 1.22%, guys. Very soon, guys, now XRP price will highly pump in, as I predicted, guys, that in October the price of XRP will blow up. XRP price will be increased in October. So finally it is October and the price start pumping, guys. Anyways, guys, what you think? What's your opinion? What's your prediction about XRP? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.